back to the channel. For the new viewers, welcome. This week I'm going to try to get the hood finished up. Last week I tried to put the sealer on, but it was just too cold in here to try to paint. Today I finally found a day that it's going to be up in the upper 50s. So I've had the furnace running this morning and I've got it up to about 65 in here. So if I can get it up a few more degrees, I'm going to try to paint it today. So what I done this morning, I come in and just wet sand scuffed it with 600 all over to take any texture out of the sealer that's there. And then I'm gonna just I'll wipe it down here in a minute with the spray away glass cleaner and then tack rag it off and get the base shot on it. Hopefully this time we'll have better success and get this hood wrapped up. That's about all I like on the truck as far as the cab portion goes, is getting the hood painted and on. So hopefully we can get that done. Then it's on to the bed on it, so we can finish up the truck. So I'll set you up on a tripod here and we'll get started here just a little later on. All right, I've got it up to about 66, 65 or 66 on the hood temperature. It's about as warm as I think I need it to be able to spray it with the base on it. So I'm gonna go in here, tack it off one more time, set my gun up with the paper over there on the wall and get a first coat on it. We'll see how it does. All right, there's the first coat on. I'm gonna let that flash about 15-20 minutes and then we'll go for a second coat. All right, this is coat number 2. All right, I'm gonna let that vent out just a little bit, turn the exhaust fan on, get some of the fumes out, and then I'm gonna thin down the base just a little bit more and put one more coat on. All right, this will be the third and final coat of base, and then we'll wait about 20 minutes and put the clear on. All right, we're gonna call that good. That's the third coat of base on there, which is it's gonna be plenty. It's actually laying down pretty good. I think we'll be okay this time. First coat of clear going on. Intentions are for 3 coats, maybe 4. We'll just see what it looks like. All right, here we go with coat number 2. Coat number 2, getting lots of dirt. Hope it'll all buff out. I'm gonna put probably at least one more coat, maybe 2 more coats on it, because I'm gonna have to do, looks like a lot of wet sanding and buffing. Coat number 3. All right, I'm gonna call that good. Quite a bit of dirt, but I figured such, and got to run along the front edge that we'll have to deal with, but all in all, I guess not too bad considering the temperature and the weather. All right, that's a wrap this week on the hood. We did get it finished up. Got some issues with it, like I figured we would have. Gonna have to work through, but hopefully a good wet sand and buffing will take care of most of them. Just got some dirt in it and got a run on the front corner right down there. And all in all, not too bad. So we'll just call it for this week, and probably the next video you'll see will be wet sanding and buffing probably. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get to that. I'm gonna let this cure out good before I even make an attempt to wet sand and buff it that much clearer on it. I don't want to be wet sanding on it when it's soft or anything. Thanks for watching.